Maintenance Management Multiple Choice Question and Answers. Welcome to eGuardian India's YouTube channel. Our channel is dedicated to helping students with their studies by providing educational materials. We offer top quality writing services like sample papers, assignments, project synopsis, and reports, presentations, essay, and content for SEO, blog, article, website, product description, reviews, testimonials, biography, books, guest post, press release, business, social media, handwriting, copywriting, proofreading, and online education. Before starting the session, we want to give a brief introduction to maintenance management. In business, there is a continual need for effective maintenance management to ensure the reliability and efficient functioning of assets. To achieve this, maintenance management refers to a strategic approach to maintaining an organization's assets in a manner that meets or exceeds customer expectations while minimizing costs. Maintenance is often viewed as a cost center, when in reality it should be seen as an opportunity to improve efficiency and profitability. A well-executed maintenance management program will result in the followings. 1. An increase in asset lifespan. 2. Reduced downtime due to breakdowns. 3. Lower repair and replacement costs. 4. Less pollution and waste generated. 5. Improved employee productivity. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with our latest videos. Also, like and share this video and answer the questions through the comment box. You can practice these questions and answers on our website www.eguardian.co.in. Let's start the session. Question number 1. What are the aspects that need to be considered by an organization while formulating an asset strategy? A. Business plan. B. Business model and plan. C. Strategies involved. D. Philosophy. Answer: B. Business model and plan. Question number 2. Which one is the building block of a business model? A. Stakeholder needs. B. Customer segment. C. Corporate plan. D. Production philosophy. Answer: B. Customer segment. Question number 3. The corporate philosophy helps an organization to determine its strengths, work upon its weaknesses, exploit opportunities available in the market, and mitigate threats. This is related to A. Achieving a competitive position. B. Increased efficiency and optimized cost. C. Improved safety at workplace. D. Fulfilling stakeholders' needs. Answer: A. Achieving a competitive position. Question number 4. Maintenance helps an organization to ensure the health and safety of employees through A. Hazard identification and management. B. Achieving a competitive position. C. Increased efficiency and optimized cost. D. Improved safety at workplace. Answer: A. Hazard identification and management. Question number 5. Which of the following is a basis on which an organization creates and delivers value to its stakeholders? A. Corporate plan. B. Production philosophy. C. Stakeholder needs. D. Business model and plan. Answer: D. Business model and plan. Question number 6. It is a production strategy aimed at improving an organization's return on investment by reducing inventory and carrying costs. This is related to A. Just-in-time. B. Lead manufacturing. C. Hazard identification and management. D. Achieving a competitive position. Answer: A. Just-in-time. Question number 7. What do we call a process of dividing customers having similar needs, preferences, or characteristics into identifiable groups? A. Lead manufacturing. B. Hazard identification and management. C. Achieving a competitive position. D. Market segmentation. Answer: D. Market segmentation. Question number 8. Which includes the modes of earning revenues used by organizations? A. Revenue stream. B. Key resources. C. Key activities. D. Key partners. Answer: A. Revenue stream. Question number 9. Which is a formal approach to increase the efficiency of the entire maintenance system by creating a balance between resources and requirements of maintenance? A. Maintenance optimization. B. Precision maintenance. C. Maintainability improvement. D. Equipment improvement. Answer: A. Maintenance optimization. Question number 10. Who of the following is responsible for the maintenance of computer systems in an organization? A. Network administrators. B. Office administrators. C. Store officers. D. Computer administrators. Answer: A. Network administrators. Question number 11. KPI should be established to measure quality rather than the amount of work to be done to attain that quality. This indicates that a KPI should be A. Qualitative. B. Quantitative. C. Ambiguous. D. Complex. Answer: A. Qualitative. Question number 12. Which is the expected time duration between inherent failures of a machine or equipment while in use? A. MTBF. B. MTBR. C. MRBF. D. MTSI. Answer: A. MTBF. Question number 13. MTTR is estimated to A. Determine the actual repair work required. B. Determine work maintenance. C. Calculate labor cost. D. Estimate the time required in marketing. Answer: A. Determine the actual repair work required. Question number 14. Costs incurred on the maintenance of machines and equipment to keep them available for use as required is A. Labor cost. B. Maintenance costs. C. Machine cost. D. Raw material cost. Answer: A. Labor cost. Question number 15. An ability of a machine or equipment to produce products that conform to defined specifications and are free of defects, thereby achieving customer satisfaction, is known as A. Software technology. B. Machine quality. C. Machine tools. D. Machine spare parts. Answer: B. Machine quality. Question number 16. A machine is said to be a quality machine if it meets the following requirements. A. No downtime. B. No uptime. C. Working efficiency. D. Machine working. Answer: A. No downtime. Question number 17. To ensure the quality of their machines and equipment, organizations need to focus on A. Low cost of production. B. Conformance to machine specifications. C. Repair and maintenance. D. Cost incurred. Answer: B. Conformance to machine specifications. Question number 18. Uninterrupted flow of production means A. Low cost. B. Efficient machines. C. Repair and maintenance. D. Cost incurred. Answer: B. Efficient machines. Question number 19. Underscore mainly includes shortcomings in inventory processes, systems, and procedures. A. Material control issues. B. Operating issues. C. Employee issues. D. Admin issues. Answer A. Material control issues. Question number 20. What are the reasons for machine failure? A. Obsolescence. B. Staining. C. Fade of shades. D. Discoloration. Answer A. Obsolescence. Question number 21. Expected time for restoring machines and equipment back to their working condition is A. MTBF. B. MTBR. C. MRBF. D. MTTR. Answer D. MTTR. Question number 22. What results in degradation and in machine failure due to friction, wear and tear, or lack of lubrication? A. Corrosion. B. Mechanical wear. C. Obsolescence. D. Surface degradation. Answer D. Surface degradation. Question number 23. What are the factors that influence the reliability and maintainability of machines? A. Surface degradation. B. Frequency of machine usage. C. Lifespan of the machine. D. Obsolescence. Answer B. Frequency of machine usage. Question number 24. To identify a particular defect responsible for a failure using the logical diagnostics process, the personnel must A. Have an ability to follow a particular routine for logical diagnostics. B. Check the entire length of the hosepipe for any blockage. C. Identify possible defects and preparing a list of defects. D. Ensure that no water is coming out of the hosepipe. Answer A. Have an ability to follow a particular routine for logical diagnostics. Question number 25. What involves measuring the different parameters of machines and equipment, such as temperature, vibration, oil pressure and debris, and running performance? A. Condition monitoring. B. Machine monitoring. C. Fuel monitoring. D. Oil monitoring. Answer A. Condition monitoring. Question number 26. Which one is a type of condition monitoring? A. Thermometer monitoring. B. Offline monitoring. C. Machine monitoring. D. Fuel monitoring. Answer B. Offline monitoring. Question number 27. In which of the following the condition of machines is monitored and recorded at predefined interval? A. Online monitoring or permanent monitoring. B. Machine monitoring. C. Offline monitoring or periodic monitoring. D. Record monitoring. Answer C. Offline monitoring or periodic monitoring. Question number 28. Which one is a technique of condition monitoring? A. Vibration condition monitoring. B. Stable condition monitoring. C. Suspended monitoring. D. Wastage monitoring. Answer A. Vibration condition monitoring. Question number 29. Which one is the component of MCSA? A. A current transformer, CT, for sensing signals in the motor. B. Vibration condition monitoring. C. Stable condition monitoring. D. Suspended contaminants present in oil. Answer A. A current transformer, CT, for sensing signals in the motor. Question number 30. Lubricant analysis is A. Vibration condition monitoring. B. A technique of condition monitoring. C. A method of stable condition monitoring. D. A tool to suspended contamination. Answer B. A technique of condition monitoring. Question number 31. Deciding the type of condition monitoring is the first step of A. Condition monitoring program. B. Vibration condition monitoring. C. Stable condition monitoring. D. Lubrication analysis. Answer A. Condition Monitoring Program. Question number 32. Sudden breakdown or failure results in considerable production loss represent which level of failure of machines? A. Highly critical. B. Medium critical. C. Low critical. D. Normal. Answer A. Highly critical. Question number 33. Which factors should be considered while selecting condition monitoring techniques? A. Environment of machine's operation. B. Labor cost. C. Human resources personnel background. D. Intervals. Answer A. Environment of machine's operation. Question number 34. What are the main objectives of adopting preventive maintenance? A. To reduce machine breakdowns. B. To increase machine breakdowns. C. To slash productivity. D. To reduce absenteeism. Answer A. To reduce machine breakdowns. Question number 35. Which is related with need for preventive maintenance? A. Off-time production. B. Increased automation. C. Reduce machine breakdowns. D. Increased machine breakdown. Answer B. Increased automation. Question number 36. Which one is the task in preventive maintenance? A. Automation. B. Lubrication. C. Machine breakdown. D. Condition monitoring. Answer B. Lubrication. Question number 37. A type preventive maintenance wherein maintenance work is performed at regular time intervals is called A. Time-based preventive maintenance. B. Work-based preventive maintenance. C. Opportunity-based preventive maintenance. D. Condition-based preventive maintenance. Answer A. Time-based preventive maintenance. Question number 38. To evaluate the preventive maintenance program, which of the following formula is used? A. Scheduled hours, x 100 equals performance of the department. B. Opportunity-based preventive maintenance. C. Inspections incomplete, inspections scheduled, x 100 should be less than 10%. D. Condition-based preventive maintenance. Answer C. Inspections incomplete, inspections scheduled, x 100 should be less than 10%. Question number 39. The demand of spare parts arises in the case of restoration of machines and equipment, while the demand of the other inventory items depends purely on the level of underscore. A. Marketing. B. Production. C. Operations. D. Human resource. Answer B. Production. Question number 40. Which of the following is not a strategic issue in maintenance audit? A. Objective of the maintenance strategy. B. Maintenance practices that are being followed. C. Achievement of maintenance practices. D. Allocation of maintenance resources. Answer D. Allocation of maintenance resources. Question number 41. Which of the following is a method of budgeting in which all expenditures are justified each time a budget is prepared for a new period? A. Line item budgeting. B. Zero-based budgeting. C. Performance budgeting. D. Program and planning budgeting. Answer B. Zero-based budgeting. Question number 42. Identifying the loopholes and defects in the existing maintenance system and suggesting the areas of improvement is one of the functions of underscore. A. Marketer. B. Shop floor consultant. C. Maintenance auditor. D. Technician. Answer C. Maintenance auditor. Question number 43. Which of the following is not an element of value proposition? A. Uniqueness. B. Performance. C. Customer segmentation. D. Product customization. Answer: C. Customer segmentation. Question number 44. After creating an asset register, the next step is to review the underscore for the maintenance of assets. A. Existing strategy. B. Previous strategy. C. Future strategy. D. Business strategy. Answer: A. Existing strategy. Question number 45. Underscore is a part of the continuous improvement process and has provision for modifying equipment. A. Design in. B. Design out. C. Draining out. D. Replacement in. Answer: B. Design out. Question number 46. The underscore step in organizing maintenance activities is to identify activities to be performed for the upkeep of machines and equipment. A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Answer: A. First. Question number 47. What refers to the distribution of power and authority among different individuals of an organization? A. Centralization. B. Decentralization. C. Realization. D. Globalization. Answer: B. Decentralization. Question number 48. Maintenance objectives differ across organizations depending on their nature of business, underscore, and underscore. A. Line item budgeting, budgeting. B. Budgeting, machine. C. Requirements, budget. D. Utilization, budgeting. Answer: C. Requirements, budget. Question number 49. Consider the following statements. 1. The objective of maintenance benchmarking is to determine the strengths and weaknesses of an organization. 2. The objective of maintenance benchmarking is to determine the strengths of an organization and ignore the weaknesses. State true or false. A. 1 false, 2 true. B. 1 true, 2 false. Circa 1 false, 2 true. D. 1 true, 2 true. Answer: B. 1 true, 2 false. Question number 50. Consider the following statements. 1. The criticality of a spare part is determined by the impact of failure of a machine on the production process. 2. The degree of wear in the surfaces of spare parts varies for different spare parts. State true or false. A. 1 false, 2 true. B. 1 true, 2 false. Circa 1 false, 2 true. D. 1 true, 2 true. Answer: D. 1 true, 2 true. Thank you for watching our session. Please subscribe to our channel eGuardian India, like our video and ask questions. If you like, please share on all different forms of social media with your friends and family members.